Hi everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens double break number 1286 of 1516 SP game used. Last team that ended the break was the Edmonton Oilers on March 28th at 7:16 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. To our current day and time, it's currently Tuesday, March 29th at 12:38 a.m. Eastern Time. We are broadcasting live on Breakers TV here as per normal. And for anybody that hasn't registered on our break page, really appreciate it. You can register your account there and scroll down and see everything's in the queue here. 1286. And these are boxes 1 and 2 from our case, so we know how many serial numbers tonight. We'll pull the first 2 boxes out of a brand new case. So I'm just going to turn you guys around here. Show you the serial number. 6349. I don't think it's going to matter, but just in case. And sealed. Okay, so here we go. We're going to cut the boxes out. I'm going to mix them up a little bit, and we'll grab 2 random ones for tonight. I just don't have any dices with me when I do these. Most of the time, if I'm at the store, we always use 10-sided dice to determine which one is for tonight. So, tilt the camera up a little bit here. Mix them up a little bit. So somewhat mixed up. So we'll grab this one and that one for tonight. So these are the ones for tonight here. Just get my little marker ready. So the serial numbers for tonight will be 6359 and 2276. 1 and 2. So these will be boxes 1 and 2 of 10 for tonight. So I'll just set those right there where you guys can still see it. We'll do that, and we'll do these. So these 2 will be for tomorrow night, which will be box 3 and 4, 7598 and 7702. So those will be for tomorrow. Put this away, and let's just stack the rest of these boxes up. Just give me 1 minute here. Just gonna finish numbering all these. Okay, so let's grab. The best way to do is doing 4 stacks of 4. So boxes 5 and 6 is 4581, 4712. The boxes 7 and 8 of 10 will be 8393 and 7972. And last 2 boxes, which will be boxes 9 and 10, 7939 and 1799. So those are our boxes. Give me 1 second here. So box 1, 6359. Good luck, everyone. Okay, so start game used. Game used off of the jersey card of Henrik Sedin for the Vancouver Canucks. Next one is a All-Star Skills Fabrics of Oliver Ekman-Larsson, going out to the Arizona Coyotes. Oliver Ekman-Larsson. Next hit is a Authentic Rookies Autograph of Anton Bibu for the Maple Leafs. Toronto's going to be a sick team next year to get. And our next one, not a bad one here, for the St. Louis Blues of Colton Parayko, 53/55. Going out to St. Louis, Colton Parayko. And the Authentic Rookies of Mikko Rantanen at $3.99. 31 of $3.99 for the Avalanche. And box 2, 2276. So we start this one off with a All-Star Skills Fabrics Duel, Bobby Ryan, Mike Hoffman for the Senators. Next one is a All-Star Skills Fabrics of Yaroslav Halak for the Islanders. Yaroslav Halak. And a inked rookie sweaters patch with the auto number to 49 of Artemi Panarin going out to Chicago. So it has the Blackhawks. We can eBay message the code if you like. Artemi Panarin out to Chicago. And our next one is a authentic rookies auto of Nick Petan for the Winnipeg Jets. And right behind it is a authentic rookies jersey of Nick Petan out of $3.99. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So 2 boxes game used again tomorrow and double SPX for tomorrow night.